What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today it's time for us to watch our weekly dose of idiots in cars. This is episode number 137. So yeah, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now, shall we? Alright, let's get Alright, in today's episode of Wild Trailers on the Loose. Whoa, that was personal. That ram got a beef with the dingleberries who don't know how to park. Whoa. Bro is in a hurry. He's like, you're never gonna catch me, coppers. See you in Spain, lads. And he's gone. Warthog incoming! Oh no, it's just a pickup truck with a blown tire. But it really did sound like a Warthog plane for some reason. Or is it just me? I don't know. But anyways, we are moving on to some more high-tech stuff, I would say. Look at that little guy. I love those little robots, but it won't be so funny when they take over the world. And also, I believe they know more about traffic rules than most of the humans.
You're goddamn right about that.
I guess releasing the handbrake is not an option here. Come on now, power! That car couldn't handle the speed and power.
I am Jose Mourinho.
That was indeed a 900 IQ play, not gonna lie. And I really mean that. That was an epic way to save your car from the flood. And meanwhile, in the NPC world, we have this. Bro was like, I'll take that traffic light with me. Just a normal day in GTA. Speed and power! I believe I can fly. Hold it, no. Oh, that was a pole position as well. Bro had a Red Bull and thought he was gonna try out the new wings he got. Whoa, dude, chill, bro. But he's like, nah, bro, I ain't got time for this. It's green light, so I have to go. I have places to be. And by the way, I don't have a clue why the red car stopped there in the middle of the road, and I don't know why did that guy push him out of the way like that. It's strange, okay, so we're gonna move on. Oh, I don't see anything wrong here. He's indicating to the right. That was easy. Let's see here. Whoa! Good thing her reaction took 2 business days to arrive. But who cares when we have speed and power in action once again. Whoa, he slipped on banana peel and into the ditch he goes. That didn't go brilliantly. He got carried away a little bit. But anyways, on to the next one. Turning on your wipers while it's dry outside is never a good sign, but we'll see. Oh, there we go, there we go. You can park a truck in that parking spot, but that's still not enough for some people. And now we are joining into some traffic battles. A red Beetle against the silver pickup truck. The pickup truck is going for the move. The Beetle is not giving up. It's much stronger than you would think. And it's fighting back, and the Beetle wins. That was legendary. Oh, what is going on here? That dude is drifting around. No. Oh, dearie me. He was all over the place, so I'm not gonna be too quick to judge this one. Maybe something terrible went wrong there. He was like, there's definitely a free space, I'm gonna take it. Whoa! It's safe to say that Dodge didn't dodge that one. And that guy in the parking lot, I don't know how he did not see that pickup truck. It was white and right there, you know. Oh, another pole position right there. No stop signs, speed limits. Whoa. The tire blew up. No, hold it, bruh, hold it. Good. I think the crisis is over. He got it under control, so it's all good now. And this is exactly what you should do if your tire decides to blow up. Don't slam on the brakes, just let go of the throttle and slowly bring it to a halt. And you should be good. Whoa, careful, dude. Oh, you took yourself out. When you see these people drive, you realize how good of a driver you are. Whoa, Merc, no! For God's sake. That is exactly why I always slow down when I see a bunch of cars in one spot, because you never know who's gonna jump out in front of you. Whoa, what is going on here? Oh, never mind, they're doing this on purpose. Oh, that was a hard hit, but I guess play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That's what you get. Let's see here. Oh, hello there. Just a friendly love tap, just to let him know you're here. Hold on, wait a minute, what is that Tesla doing there? It's a petrol pump. You have no business here, so bid it. And that white sedan agrees, I would say. He's defending our territory, so just don't get carried away, bro. Don't overdo it. Let's see what we have here, and here comes another Beetle striking with full force. Left turns for some people are really difficult. For some reason. I think that will remain a mystery forever. Careful, bro, careful. No, no, no.
Just like that.
That was a little, you know. Here in Serbia we call that Mosha. I don't know how to say it in English. Whoa, I woke up in a new Bugatti. That was that moment right there. A nice 360, by the way, let's not forget that. Whoa, no, no. Here goes another one. But you know what? I think they're both at fault because it was a red light. On to the next one. Let's see here. Yo, dude. Ooh. Back to factory settings. He hit it so hard. Damn, that was crazy. And also he was like, they needed a new stone sign anyway, so who cares? Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo, that was me, Need for Speed. That's how you win the race. And now we are probably gonna witness something very smart. Something that only a driving god can do. But we'll wait and see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there we go. There we go, and once again, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. That pickup truck just got dismantled by a bigger truck. I don't even know what he wanted to achieve by that. By doing that, I mean. Whoa, nice handbrake turn, but wrong place, wrong time, buddy. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is definitely gonna be fun. You have a Mercedes G-Wagon, a Rolls-Royce, and a Lada. You know it's gonna be good. And it looks like the gloves are finally off and the friendly fire will not be tolerated. I honestly thought the Lada is gonna be the one crashing into others, but I was wrong. And in any case, this is free entertainment for us because it's a G-Wagon against the ML Mercedes, so who's gonna win, we don't know. You can place your bets. Now the G-Wagon is making a plan for attack. And the Rolls is like, calm down boys, please. Please don't do it. And the G-Wagon wants some blood and goes for it. But the ML is still not giving up and fights back. And now they're pretty much neck and neck. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna come on top? Looks like the G-Wagon has the upper hand now. But will it stay that way? Booyah! Of course not. The ML fights back. And that's a KO. Or maybe not. Oh yeah, it is. That was very interesting to say the least. And I also believe even if you ask them what was that all about, they wouldn't know the answer. And that is the best part. I mean, it's stupid, but whatever floats their boat, you know, it's their choice. Whoa, he got penetrated from behind without being asked first. I know I said it before, but people are way too distracted these days. They get in the car and do everything except driving, just like NPCs, and it's scary. And look at our boy here, showing us how it's done. Driving in reverse like a boss. And you know what? He's actually still less dangerous than some other people. Whee! He couldn't resist the temptation. He watched way too many movies and it was too late for him. He had to do it. And look what do we have here. Another driving genius who thinks that tires are overrated. You have 4, you lost 1. Who cares? You got 3 left. So it's not a big deal. And his name is John Cena. You see how easy it is to flip over a car. It's ridiculous. You only need to hit the right spot and then boom, it's on the roof. Whoa, 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 what is going on here? The truck is like, move, peasants, or deal with my wrath. Now seriously, I don't know what went wrong there, but could be the brakes. That's a strong possibility. Whoa. In this case, I know what went wrong. He doesn't have a brain. Simple as that. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed in today's video. And if you did, please smack that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this, of course, and also don't forget to leave a comment there as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.